QBE is continuing to probe higher, which is what we've been looking for over the last few months. Our only concern is this price action through here is a little bit choppy, and ideally we don't want to see this choppy. It does mean it's corrective in nature rather than impulsive. Here is an impulsive move up here. That's what we'd ideally like to see. If QBE can start exhibiting that right now, then not only is our near-term target around the 16, 17 area on track, but also our renewed higher target up here around $19. And let's just talk about that higher target right now, because there is a secondary pattern forming right here, or has formed right here, and is looking to break out. So we've got to move down into these September, October lows, a bounce back up, and a move right down into this capitulation low. You can see there's a huge gap down here, huge wide-ranging bar right at the very bottom here, and that is excessively high volume. And this is a good buy-demand point coming in. I did appear on Sky Business in early January, just around this area right here, and I suggested that this big buy-demand will hold the stock up and prices will continue to rotate higher, and that's exactly what's happened. Very, very good indication of buy-demand coming in right there. So from that particular point, we moved up again into this area of resistance around this 14.15, came back down, made the right shoulder, and you can see the head and shoulders pattern right there. Now we're starting to move up, as I suggested. This price action is probably not quite what we want, but the measured move for the head and shoulders is up towards $19. So some good upside potential to be had. And interestingly enough, that also matches to the old resistance highs set back in 2011. So all in all, it's looking positive, except for this just choppy price action going through here. So we want to keep an eye on that. Now, usually with a head and shoulders pattern, what happens, here's the neckline running through here. Now, usually what happens, prices break the neckline, come back down, and then get on with the job. So if you're looking to jump on board, potentially there's two things you can do. Jump on the breakout, or await the retest of the breakout, and then jump on right there. So what we don't want to see is prices falling back through these lows down through here. That would be a minor red alert, or minor red flag I should say, and certainly we do not want to see prices break back down through $12. That is not what we want to see. So I've got a little bit of give and take up here at the moment. That's fine. What I really like to see is prices start to stream higher, like this movement right here. That's the ideal situation, thrusting impulsive type movement, and that hasn't been seen to date, and that's just a little bit of cause for concern. But we are grinding higher. The broader markets are looking a little bit more positive at the moment, and if that's the case, if confidence comes back in, then QBE should continue to grind and push higher.